January 8th, 2026. It's a beautiful winter's day in northern Canada. Minus 11 degrees, but little wind. I took the Canada Niska 1 and headed out to do a battery performance test flight. I was in the field for several hours. My car battery didn't survive. My cell phone battery didn't survive. But after a more than 1 hour flight, only 25% of the solid state lithium battery in the Niska was used. I'm amazed and very happy with the result. Minus 11 degrees might sound cold to you, but to us, it's a warm winter day, perfect for flying. Please enjoy the beautiful flight.
If you like this video, please click the like button. Please consider subscribing so you don't miss any interesting videos in the future. And please share this video with others. It's really important. It helps me to keep this channel going. I'm recording this video on the traditional homeland of the Métis people of Alberta, the Inuit, and the ancestral territory of the Cree, Dene, Anishinaabe, Blackfoot, Saulteaux, and the Nakota Sioux since time immemorial. The word Niska is the Cree word for goose. Thank you. Kananas Komitanawa.
The future of BVLOS commercial missions has arrived. Introducing the Canada Niska 1 VTOL, a complete ready-to-fly package engineered for the most demanding long-distance missions. With our exclusive ArduPilot configuration in tune, you're not just flying, you're executing. Capturing stunning video in 4K on SD card and screen recording onto the controller up to 4 kilometers away with full FPV video and bidirectional telemetry. Unlock capabilities far beyond the horizon. With a flight range of 200 kilometers and up to 3 hours of endurance, Canada Niska 1 is built for expansive photogrammetry and critical inspections. It's the ultimate tool for commercial efficiency, reliability, and growth. The mission is waiting. The future is here. The solution is the Canada Niska 1. Canada Niska, proudly Canadian.